In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to set up groups within a course so you can split students in a class or in multiple classes into smaller groups, which can be really useful when you're looking at the gradebook and you've got a limited number of pupils that you want to look at any one time. Now there's two stages to this process, and the first thing I need to do is enable groups within the course. So I'm going to click within my course here the cogwheel for editing, and then I'm going to edit settings. On my edit settings page I'm going to scroll to the bottom and click groups. The default is no groups, but I want groups, so I'm going to choose separate groups, and then I'm going to save and display the page. That's the first stage done, so groups is now enabled. The next thing I need to do is create my group. So back to my cogwheel, and this time click More at the bottom, and then the Users section, and then under Users I'm going to click Groups. There are no groups currently, so I need to create a group. Here's my first group, which I'm going to call Group 1. Save the changes. I'm going to create my second group, and I'm going to call it cunningly Group 2, and save the changes. So I've now created two groups. The number in brackets shows that neither group has any students assigned to them. Add remove users. So select the group I wish to add a user to. I'm going to start with Group 1, so members of Group 1. Add a user. I've only got two test users here, so for the sake of demonstrating, that's good enough. I'm going to choose the first one, add that student to the group. Back to groups, you can now see that Group 1 has one student in. Let's do the same with Group 2 and put my demo student in there, my test student, and back to groups, and there we have it. We now have our group set up. Each in this case has one student assigned. Now go back into my course, and when I now view my gradebook over here, what I should find is that separate groups is enabled now, and it's currently defaulted to Group 2 for some reason. So let's go and have a look at Group 1, and there I can just see the students in Group 1, and if I wish to I can select all students or just the individual group that I want to view. And there we have it. Done. Groups set up.